Vlog number 4. What are we doing today?
Yeah, so we were driving, came from Sydney,
Falcon Hills.
and stayed with the hubbies, which were amazing, both of them. And now we're at this gorgeous place.
AKA the Blue Mountains.
Yep, or the Three Sisters.
Well, yeah, Three Sisters is that away. Shrouded in mist.
Yeah.
Gotta love it. We're headed to Orange today. To do what?
To do concerts. And
Precious concert, another fireside.
yeah, we're just on our way, but we want to do our little morning routine here, just to see nature and
Wellness number 1.
Yeah,
I'm gonna do a hike at the yeah, we'll do another video for that, but
planning.
just loving the blueness of the mountains.
Yeah.
Let's check that out, people. It's that dusty gray green that I find is the signature color of Australian outback. Well, hinterland. It's beautiful.
Just like the color of your eyes. And mine also. Let's show it.
Now yours is the color of the sky.
Okay.
Look at the camera. The camera's over there. Let the light in. And mine are a little bit more green. This is lame.
Yours is
Yeah, mine are a little bit more green. Anyways, stay tuned. We're going to be analyzing Abishai Cohen rhythms and eating apples and talking about the meaning of life. Super interesting. But you do feel the blue. You feel the blue like intensely. It's like the optical illusion of the sky and the haze from mist and mountain. Jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Ooh, Hi. It's been another great day.
Yeah.
We just came back from the Orange Chapel where we
played music
and
we
spoke words.
Beautiful words.
And there were 12 happy people in the audience. We hope they were happy.
They were very happy. They were touched.
Yeah.
And we got chocolates as a gift. We shared our testimonies.
And we had a record. We set a record for setting up. All our setup with like 2 hours before showtime. That's a huge record for us and pretty much unnecessary. But we made sure it was useful time.
Yeah.
Anyways, before we say anything unsavory or unclassy, because we are classy ladies, we're gonna bid you adieu.